So the first thing I do is I go through my wardrobe and see what clothes I want to take and start putting some items together. I know the weather's going to be kind of about 16, 17 degrees there, so spring-like, so not too hot and not too cold. So I've gone with some dresses, kind of like for dinner, for evening. So I've got a couple of dresses there. I've got a few tops here as well. So I've got a few kind of smarter ones here that I can wear with my jeans. I've also on the bed, I've got my jeans, I've got some other more casual tops, I've got some spaghetti strap tops. I always take like a cardigan with me as well, so I like to really layer. And I think I'll take my leather jacket just in case it gets a little bit chilly kind of evening time. So I've got the cardigan for daytime if it's too warm, so I've got a few options there. So I think I'll take my leather jacket, and I'm also going to throw in a pair of shorts as well. I don't think it's going to be hot enough for these, but they're really light, so I might as well just throw them in also. So that's kind of the majority of the clothes at the moment, and now I need to figure out the shoes. Still trying to sort out the wardrobe space and everything here. I've got clothes in different rooms at the moment, and I've got shoes everywhere. So I just came back from St. Petersburg and kind of half unpacked and not really unpacked, so I've still got some shoes out. So I think I'm going to take my my Castana espadrilles with me. So these are a new pair that I've recently just purchased, so I think I'm going to take those. I think I'm going to take these Caramillan sandals also. These are so comfortable, so I think I'm going to take those. And I think I'm going to take my Valentina Rockstud shoes for the evening as well, because these are the kitten heel ones and they're just so easy to wear. So I think I'll take those for evenings out. What else shall we take? My Chanel's, which I think I put back in here. Oh, if I can get the box out. So I've got my Chanel black, just the plain black heels hiding in here. So these ones. So I think I'm going to take these Chanel pumps, these heels. So there's a selection of the shoes that I think I'm probably going to take. And then Toiletries. What have we got here? So this is the little bag that I put everything in, and so far, I'll put it over here. So far I've just got in like my cotton pads, some tampons, face scrub. I always like to take my own shower gels and things. I've got some Molten Brown, which is always lovely. I've got some Nivea body lotion. This is fabulous. This is my favorite body lotion for dry to very dry skin. It's really moisturizing. This is really lovely. And then I have for nails, nail removing pads. What else have we got in here? Oh, I always travel with the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. This is great for the eyes, for cleansing the skin. This is really good. So I always take like a mini version of that. I've got my perfume in here. Currently wearing Bulgari. This is an old one of theirs that I got when I was on the flight, and it is lovely. I really like it. Not the easiest to get hold of because it is an old one, but it's really nice. And then I'm going to pack what I'm using at the moment, which is these products here. So I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift Laser Renew pads. These are brilliant. Got a new campaign coming out regarding this, so keep an eye out for that. I also use the La Roche-Posay purifying foaming gel for oily sensitive skin. This is really lovely if you've got oily skin. Currently using Dr. Colbert's range. This is the Stimulate Serum. Again, really nice product. Toning with Chanel. The fresh mattifying lotion. As you can see, this is nearly empty. It's a big bottle. What else have we got on here? Estee Lauder, the Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. Again, nearly finished. Really lovely product. Again, Estee Lauder, the Revitalizing Supreme Cream. Lovely product. Smells gorgeous. And I've got a mini version of this in this bag. That's what the scrub was that was in the bag, the cleanser. So Murad. And I'm going to be trying their youth renewing range very soon. So I love Murad's products. Really good. So that's just an idea of some of the products that are about to go into this bag. I also have all the products in my makeup bag. So I have a whole mixture of stuff in there. L'Oreal, Charlotte Tilbury, L'Oreal Flash Sculpt, Chanel, Givenchy, Charlotte Tilbury again in the back. What else have we got? Naked Skin, Algenist. Yeah, I got a whole load of stuff in there. So that's the makeup bag. Gadgets and things here. So obviously my charger, which I forgot last time I traveled. Another kind of portable charger here as well, which is really cool. My tripod stand. Obviously I'll take my vlogging camera, so that's the battery for that. My tongs. I ended up taking my UK one to St. Petersburg and it didn't work at all, so I forgot to bring this one. This is an American one that I bought ages ago and I forgot to take it, so I remember that. And also I didn't have an iron last time I traveled, so I'm going to take my iron with me, even though I'm expecting that the hotel would have one. So I've got a few more other bits and pieces to put in the bag, but generally that's about it. My case pretty much packed. A few more bits and bobs to go in, but I've got on this side kind of shoes and everything, and that's all secured inside of here. So I've got shoes and everything in here. I've got my electrical stuff in the little mesh area at the back there as well, and then on this side I've got my clothes and things. So yeah, quite neat and tidy. I think I'll be well under the weight because it's all light summer stuff, so plenty of room to bring some stuff back. So that is it. The bag's all packed behind me. I'm ready to go. If you have any tips on how you pack, what you pack, then do leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget, if you're not already a subscriber, then do click the link and go ahead and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.